Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing this morning? It's a little chilly. I don't know about you guys where you are, but in the A-Town, it's still cold in the mornings. Got your coffee? About 40 something degrees. All right. Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? Hope you're starting your day off great. All right, I'm back. I want to talk about what I showed one of my business partners yesterday, how to set up. He wanted to link one of his payment processors. He wanted to be able to receive crypto. Okay, so I walked him through that, and I just kind of wanted to show that to you guys as well, real quick here. All right, awesome. So hang on, let's check it out. Let me show you what I shared with him. All right, but before we do that, if you're here for the first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, to check out all my affiliate programs, how to make money online and receive instant payments with digital marketing, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. If you're interested in crypto and earning passive income, no marketing required, no recruiting required, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so I want to show you, it's two programs I have. I've gone through all of them just to see which ones have it set up where you can accept crypto. Hang on a second. Went through here, so Live Good allows you to pay with crypto, and you can receive your commissions in crypto. And then Exodus Elite allows you, they have that option in there. And then, of course, our Guaranteed Leads IO. All right, so let's check it out here real quick. If you have not checked out this one, let's talk about it real quick. Guaranteed Leads IO. This is one of the capture pages that they have, guys. I like this page. New Guaranteed Leads system sucks up commissions faster than a vacuum cleaner. Okay, this is pretty eye-catching. All right, totally generic, works for any business. Get leads and cash flow on the other side of this page. Every marketer needs this. Absolutely. Every marketer must have leads. Eyeballs of people looking at your opportunity. All right, now this system is real quick, go over it real quick. It's $125 to get the system. There's no monthly fees, and it allows you to earn cash flow, okay, of $75 over and over. Okay, every time you sell this system, it's $125, right, one time, and then when people purchase it, you make $75. Okay, instant commissions any way you want, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, etc. But they also have it where you can accept Bitcoin. Okay, but this is an awesome system. They have the reverse one up. Your first sale you're gonna keep, and then your second sale will pass up automatically. The system will do that on its own. And your third sale and beyond, you will keep all those. But everybody passes up their second sale. This is what gives all of us leverage. I've already done that. I did that the first week I got started. I knocked that out. Okay, so I've been past that up. But great system. The owner is a affiliate marketer for over 10 years or so. And he put together, this is just another system he put together. I was a part of one of the other systems he put together. He always does a great job at these systems, and they convert. All right, so you definitely want to go check out Guaranteed Leads IO. One-time payment of $125, and you're able to earn $75 commissions, guys, over and over and over and over and over. All right, so let's take a look. I showed you one of the capture pages, right, that I just showed you. Where is that page? Right here. Okay, you can actually purchase that, folks. Go check it out, and then they're going to go to this page right here. They're going to watch this video, Automated Home Business Success, And if they sign up, you make $75. Okay, so let me show you. If you decide you want crypto to be one of your options to receive your payments. All right, so let's take a look. Like I said, I showed one of my business partners this yesterday. Okay, so he's adding that as a way. If someone wants to do that, they can pay him in Bitcoin. So let's take a look at that. All right, and since I am now a crypto enthusiast as well, and I invest in crypto, that was great because I actually set this up for myself. So as you can see right here, when you go into Guaranteed Leads IO in your back office, I'm in my back office, my dashboard rather. Over here to the left, click on Account and then click on Set Up Payment Processors, right? And if you take a look, I've selected Bitcoin, Stripe, Cash App, Zelle, right? They have the options are Authorize.net also and Venmo. Okay, guys? So this is where you would set that up, guys, right here. Just click on Set Up Payment Options and click here and put in your Bitcoin info. Okay? See, affiliate marketing. You have to remember, well, some of you may not know, but even in the crypto space, those crypto projects, they all offer, most of the programs, they offer an affiliate component with them as well, right? And of course, to get in the crypto projects is crypto in and crypto out. So you're receiving crypto anyway. So it makes sense. That's affiliate marketing as well. So over here, we have affiliate marketing, digital marketing, okay? Most of these are systems or courses. So they've incorporated that as a payment processor. It just makes sense, okay? So Bitcoin is an option here in the Guaranteed Leads IO system. So again, just go to Set Up Payment Processors and select it right there, guys. All right, now let's take a look at the other program that I'm a part of. I'm an affiliate for, and they offer this as an option as well. This program right here, Exodus Elite, okay? Digital business where you can earn $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 instant commissions because you're promoting training courses, digital courses, okay? So when you promote these and people purchase them, you're able to resell them and earn a commission, okay? And because you're an affiliate, you can decide. The company doesn't pay you. You're paid member to member directly from the person that signs up with you. You decide how you want to receive your payments. This is your digital business, okay? So let's take a look at that as well. Now, if you want to start earning these commissions, guys, there's 5 levels here, okay? So there is a level for everybody. You can get started for as low as, if we go with the G100, it's only $149. There's no monthly fees. This is a one-time payment. If you want to receive the G250 course, that's $250 plus $99. The G500 is $199 plus $500. The G1000 is $1,000 plus $299. The G2000 means you're all in, you get everything, is $2,000 plus $399. And as I said earlier, you can receive Bitcoin, crypto. Actually, they receive is several, and I'm gonna go over it with you in a second. So what you want to do is make sure you're here on my page. When you click join, it says your sponsor. That's me. Come down, make your selection. Where do you want to get started, and fill out this information, guys. Okay, and it says right here. So if you're doing the 100, it tells you when you click it, it tells you got to pay the company $49. You would pay me $100. And it tells you here. So fill out all this information and go ahead and confirm here, and you agree to the terms, no refund policy right here, and you confirm I'm your sponsor. And you come down and you click Pay Admin. Now the company is going to accept debit cards and credit cards. After you fill this out, then it's going to go to where it's going to tell you to sign up with your sponsor, okay, and pay them how they want to get paid. So let's take a look here how it's going to look when you go to get started. Okay, you want to log into your dashboard here with Exodus Elite and click on my profile, and right here it says my payment options, right? So it will show you these are the options I selected. I want to accept debit cards. I can accept debit card, credit card payments via Stripe. Bitcoin, I went ahead and selected that because it's pretty popular. Most people are aware of Bitcoin, and a lot of people can just go to their Cash App and just purchase the Bitcoin right there. Then of course Cash App, I accept that, and then Zelle. Okay, and it says right here, preview your payment options. So when you go there, right, and click here, Bitcoin, and see right here it says I accept Bitcoin, and it tells you where to send the Bitcoin. All right, so either you're going to send 100, 250, 500, 1000, or 2000. Okay, so that's where you would set it up here at Exodus Elite. My payment options, just select that and set up the methods that you would like to receive your payments. Okay, so that's how that would work, guys. That's it. That's all. Okay, so again, to get started with either one of these programs or any of the affiliate programs, just go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. But this program right here includes the Genesis Library, guys. This is the digital education courses that teaches you how to make money online, and you're able to promote and share these trainings with people. If they purchase them, then you make commissions, okay, instantly, which is what I just showed you how you can get paid. All right, G100, G250, G500, G1000, or G2000. Those are the courses, and here they are, the modules. All right, they're going to be updating this system as well. This one has been around for 9 years. Long time. I've been in it since 2016. All right, so here's the courses. I'm just going to thumb through this real quick. You can check it out at your leisure. Here's some of the courses that you'd be looking at. Big Ticket Machine, 10K Blueprint, Social Messaging Apps for Marketers, Facebook Groups Unleashed. I mean, it goes on and on. Cryptocurrency Secrets. It's a lot of training there for the $100. Okay, $149. All right, and then the G250 tells you right here 10 different courses that you're gonna get, and this is all via video. Some of it is audio, okay, but it's digital, so you can access this training in your back office from anywhere in the world as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, okay, using any smart device. All right, guys, so here's the training. Just want to give you a glimpse of that. Evergreen Lead Business, I mean, it's a lot of training in here. Okay, take a look, and that's the 250. Okay, G250. If you come in at the G250, you automatically get the G100. See, it tells you that right here. So that's 2 levels of income you can have. G500, the third package, is the beginning of your advanced level. So this is what they consider starting to be more in the advanced level. And G500, those commissions can come in at any point in time. And remember, if you do not purchase, let's say the G500, and you come in at the G250, you still will make $250. Okay, if you sell the G500 and you come in at the G250, you still will make $250. Okay, so you don't lose the whole commissions. All right, guys. So here's this training. A lot of good stuff. Push button podcasting. That sounds interesting, right? The power of focus. Tells you right here. It includes everything, the G100 and the G250 if you get the G500. Okay, see, it tells you you have resale rights to resell the training. G1000, the Legends Millionaire Mentors. This incredible series interviews 20 of the top marketers on the internet today. Listen and learn their secrets to success. Over 20 hours of inspirational learning. Okay, so another one, The Village. This is the audio series behind many of the highest money earning producers in the business world today. Okay, and I love how they incorporate Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as training modules as well. Social media, AI technology. All right, so you get everything here. And this one right here, Udemy for recurring income. This is a good one. Video on demand. All right, G1000 includes everything. G100, G250, G500. Okay, all that's included if you go with the G1000. Okay, then the G2000 premium package, 32 video on demand courses, future proof. As new content is released, we will introduce it into the G2000. Okay, and of course you're all in if you go G2000. All right, so again, you can accept payments any way you want, and it includes cryptocurrency. All right, now did I show you? Let me see here. Hang on one second. Forgot to show you. Actually, right here, guys, it gives you even more options. I just selected a few. Let me show you something here. So if you guys want to send, see, I can accept USDT as well, not just Bitcoin. We can do USDT, TRC20, or ERC, and then Ethereum or Tron. Okay, so I want to show you that as well. I just selected the Bitcoin because it's just one that a lot of people are familiar with, and it's easy. Okay, but for those of you that are aware of USDT and the other currencies, I will accept those as well. Okay, and you can set that up here. I just forgot to show you those options. All right, guys, under my payment options. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. If you have any questions and you want to discuss that with me, feel free to reach out to me about it, especially for the cryptocurrency. If you want to send the other options that I discussed, because I only selected the Bitcoin is what you're going to see when you go to pay. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. So next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.